Hello students, welcome to KitKat Digital Teaching System. I am your maths teacher and today we are learning Countdown 6. So before we start our topic, I would like to advise few tips for effective learning and takes maximum benefits from KitKat Digital Learning. So like and subscribe your school channel so don't miss any video. May watch multiple times video till find out the answers. So let's start our question, and the question is make the list of finite and infinite sets. So you can simply write the status about these sets that if the given set is finite or infinite. So firstly I would like to define you finite or infinite set. So what is finite set? So a finite set is a set that contains a limited or countable numbers of elements like students in the school, cities of Pakistan, and etc. Then infinite sets. And infinite sets are sets which contain an infinite or unlimited numbers of objects that are uncountable, like leaves of the trees, stars in the sky, or etc. So let's start our questions. So question number one is set of cities in Pakistan. So this is finite set because we can count all cities of Pakistan and this is countable set. So we can say this set as finite set. Set of universities in Lahore, second part is, so yes, we can also count the universities in the city of Lahore. So this is also finite set. Third part is set of whole numbers. So they are uncountable and unlimited numbers. So they we can call the set of whole numbers as infinite set. Number fourth part is set of negative integers. So negative integers are countable. So we can write this set as a finite set. So next part is set of points on a line segment. So yes, we can count the points of a line segments. So we can also write this set as a finite set. Number six part is set of vowels of alphabet. So we have five number of vowels A, E, I, O, U, and they are countable and limited. So we can also write this set as a finite set. Next question is make the list of empty sets of the following. So what is empty set? An empty set is a set that has no any value or characters or alphabets. So the part number one is set of whole numbers between 9 and 10. So this is empty set because we do not have any value between 9 and 10. So this is empty set. Next question is set of people who land on Mars before 1994. So this is also empty set because before 1994 there are no pupils land on Mars. So this is also called empty set. Next part of this question set of integers between 4 and 6. So this is not an empty set because the between number of 4 and 6 is 5. So we can write 5 as a set. So this is not an empty set. A set of even prime numbers. So this is not an empty set. So next part of this question set of 3 digits number greater than 100. So this is also known not as empty set because we can easily write greater than 3 digits greater than 100. So number six part is set of point of intersection of two non-parallel lines. Yes, this is not an empty set because we can easily find the set of two non-parallel lines. So students, this is all about today's lecture. Hope you enjoyed and learned the basic concepts. Don't forget to find out the answers and write the answer in your summer vacation copy within 24 hours to maintain your summer vacation learning. As 10 marks included in your final term assessment. Hope to see you in next topic. Thank you.